So I just opened this file from Adam on Facebook, and I'm going to turn off the reference layers here. I'm going to just open up a camera view. And I'm going to open this wall, and notice this wall is default lap siding. So let's go to wall types. There's lap siding, there's the default. This has been changed to granite gray. I'm going to select all of the walls by choosing my wall tool and shift dragging all of these. And I'm going to just specify my label as object specific wall type. And we're going to make sure to turn the wall labels layer on. Siding 4. I like this because it's a quick visual to tell me what the wall types are. We got siding 4 on an interior room. Let's take a quick camera view here. You've got some siding on the interior wall. I don't know if that was intended or not, but so let's check out our wall type. Double click on the exterior wall defaults, and let's go to wall types. Define. Okay, so lap siding is supposed to be the exterior layer. Let's go to materials. Aha. Exterior wall surface granite gray has been selected. So any future exterior walls, granite gray will be put on the exterior wall type, exterior wall surface, instead of lap siding that's in the wall type definitions. So we kind of, as I was saying, there are multiple ways to control defaults. In your exterior wall default, the default is that the wall will have granite gray. But there's also the default of the default wall type. But this is being overridden by the wall default here. Okay, so let's set this up here. If I draw a wall right now, it will have granite gray put on it. But if I change my materials here, go into the materials exterior wall surface, select material, plan materials, use default. Okay, this will only affect future walls that I draw, not walls that are already drawn. Now, with the exception of, in this case, these walls are attic walls, and so they're getting regenerated automatically. Okay, now this wall also got regenerated, but it's based on the wall that's below it and the material that this is. So let's go back to materials, select materials, plan materials. Let's put granite gray on here again. And it's forcing it to redraw these attic walls with the granite gray material. Let's go back to materials, exterior wall surfaces, select materials, plan materials, click on use default. Now, with that lap siding, default lap siding, any new walls that I draw now will be the lap siding material. You're seeing the inside of the wall because I drew it the wrong direction. There we go. Okay. Now, to change the existing walls, what you're going to do, we can also, let me also show you this. We can also select the room, the exterior room. Let's see what we've got here. Exterior walls, no change. Let's select a different material altogether. Manufacturer, let's do certainteed. We'll do let's do this red fake scales like this. So you can also change the siding based on the exterior room. So far we've been able to change the siding based on the wall type here, or the exterior wall default here, or the exterior room here. 3 ways that you can change it. The fourth way would be to individually paint one object at a time. And so this, I guess that's kind of the way that it's similar to the first way of the wall defaults, but this is actually just painting the wall specification for that individual wall or this individual wall. Notice this attic wall regenerated based on the wall material below it. Okay, so if you want a different material, let's choose this here and paint it on the wall, on the attic wall. It's saying, hey, this is going to modify an automatically generated wall. The wall will be retained and will not regenerate automatically. Do you want to continue? Yes, we're going to continue and put this on a different. So this attic wall will not regenerate automatically anymore as it stands now. Now, how do we get it back all the way to default? As Steve Nestor said, we can use our spray can material painter. Go to plan materials, use default, and we're going to go whole floor plan for our scope and paint this on here. Now, why didn't it affect these? Because these we painted individually. And we also just changed the red shake, red's fish scales, if you will, material. So let's continue painting default on that material and that material. Now, why didn't this one change? Because this room open this up. Use default. I think it has to do with the deck room. There. Let's undo that and reopen this wall. Go to materials, exterior wall surface. We could just select the default material right here as well. Yeah, we've got a room there and a room there and a room there, all with different settings, and that's what was messing it up, I think. Yeah, walls no change. Plan materials, use default. There we go. Yeah, each room, somehow that had been affected. So I don't think it was I don't think Chief was changing it. There was just some defaults that were missed. Hope this is helpful. Take care.